Hi everyone, I'm Dan. This is Chloe. We're with Quinte Conservation, and we're here to show you a quick little tutorial on how to use the CD3 Watercraft-Cleaning Station from the Invasive Species Centre. So first, you can use the air blower to clean off weeds, debris, and dry off water. Next, you can use the brush to clean off all mud, weed, and any other debris. You can then use the plug wrench to remove your boat plug that will drain your vessel. And then, using the grabber tool, you can reach and remove any remaining weeds. Lastly, we have the vacuum to remove all water, weeds, bait, and other debris until dry. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. All the instructions are there. If you see any invasive species, you can report it using EdMaps or the Invading Species Hotline. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.